Help! We're stuck!
Mamma mia! Shane? Sam? Sid? What? Why?
Oh, it's a long story, Mama Polenta.
We're stuck.
Oh, you boys. Don't worry. Mama will help. I'll get you down.
No!
If I had a tomato for every time I've rescued Mario from a tree, I could make a lot of bruschetta.
Whatever you do, don't look down.
Why? Mamma mia! Oh, it's higher than it looks. Oh, dear.
We tried to warn you.
Oh.
Well, this is silly. Look at us. 4 grown-ups stuck up a tree.
Reminds me of my sea voyages as a cabin boy. The captain would have me climbing right to the top of the mast. Didn't think twice about it.
Oh, then you're just the man to climb down and get help.
Yes, it was a long time ago. Okay, I'll try. Oh, I'm not looking down. Oh, don't look down, Sam. Don't look down.
Right, we're down a bit. Down a bit. You're nearly there. Okay. No, down a bit more.
Can you stop saying down? No, that's torn it.
Oh, now we're really stuck. Oh, come on, let me help you.
I better phone Penny and tell her I'll be late home.
You had your phone all this time?
Of course. Where's yours?
Yeah, it's in my scooter. Look, can you call Maggie for help?
I suppose so. Hang on. Whoa!
Oh, no, don't believe that. Okay, we must have another phone up here.
I'm sorry. I left mine in Alf's van.
Sam, you're our last hope. Please tell me you got your phone with you.
Sorry, Shane. It's charging on the Merry Mackerel. Well, the only thing I have is this old walkie-talkie. I keep it for emergencies.
Oh, you mean like being stuck up a tree?
What? Oh, right. I see what you mean. Good point.
Oh, that should do it. Right, fire her up.
We did it, JG.
Jolly good. Nothing to it, really.
I'll take it for a test drive.
Good idea.
Mayday! Mayday! Is anyone receiving me?
What was that?
Mayday! Mayday! Is anyone receiving me? Over! Mayday! Mayday!
Sam? Is that you? This is Maggie.
Hello, Maggie. This is Sam, receiving you loud and clear.
Help, Maggie!
Shane, are you okay?
Yes, but we're all stuck up your cherry tree. Sid and Mama Polenta are here too.
What?
Yeah, it's a long story. Please help.
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
How did you all get stuck up there?
It's much higher than it looks.
Let's get you all down.
You.
Oh, dear.
Don't tell me that ladder is an extender.
Of course it is.
Oh.
Here we go.
Hey!
Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, lovely ground.
Oh, the green grass of home.
Terra firma. Thank you. Woo! Thanks, Maggie.
No problem, Shane.
Oh, thanks, Maggie. What a day.
Don't worry, Sam. It'll be worth it for the delicious cherry crumble that we're going to bake.
Oh, you didn't pick a single cherry. Maybe leave it to an expert this time.
Good idea.
There you are. You've been gone ages.
Yeah, you'd be surprised how tricky cherry picking can be. I'll tell you all about it after we've made the cherry crumble.
What do you need, Dad?
Okay, we need wholemeal flour, vegetable margarine, a little sugar, chopped almonds, and our lovely cherries. Let's get cooking! Just look at that. Delicious cherry crumble. Back of the oven.
Yay!
Who's for some delicious cherry crumble?
With custard.
Oh, can't
Here we
wait for
go.
this.
Oh,
And
yes.
me.
Hey, that's my phone.
Well, look at that. I think it's for you.
Everyone's talking about my cherry crumble.
Hello? Oh no, I lost my phone. Well, no, I didn't lose it. It was stolen by a magpie. No, he just dropped it back. Hear me crumble?